Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. The 2025 Z4 retains the classic Roadster silhouette, but it's been refined with sharper lines and more sculpted curves. The iconic kidney grille gets a modern update, and the LED headlights add a touch of aggression to the front end. The overall design is a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness, making the Z4 instantly recognizable as a BMW. Under the hood, expect a powerful engine option, likely a turbocharged inline-six, that delivers a thrilling driving experience. The Z4 is all about handling and agility, so the focus is on delivering quick responses and precise steering. The chassis is tuned for a sporty yet comfortable ride, making it enjoyable for both spirited driving and cruising. Step inside the 2025 Z4 and you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit. The focus is on putting you in control with a sporty steering wheel and well-placed controls. Expect a digital instrument cluster and a high-definition infotainment system with the latest connectivity features. The interior materials are a blend of luxury and sportiness, creating a premium atmosphere without sacrificing the car's performance-oriented character. Luxurious interior, the blend of premium materials and driver-focused technology creates a comfortable and sporty cabin. The 2025 BMW Z4 is a strong contender for the title of the ultimate modern roadster. Its